How to fix live suspended on TikTok. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix live suspended on your TikTok. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step you'll need to take is open up your TikTok. Make sure you're logged in into your account. Then head over to the profile option on the bottom right corner. After you're there, tap on the three lines on the top right. After you tap on three lines on the top right, there you will see settings and privacy. Tap on it. And after you tap on it, go scroll down to the bottom. There you will see an option called report a problem. Tap on report a problem. After you tap on report a problem, there you'll get different options and sections relating to your issue. So there you'll see the live option as well. So simply expand on it. And after you do that, head over to hosting live. After you're there you will see on the top, live is suspended option. Now you can tap on it and go through this article where you can just, ask about it. Now you can tap on this no option and then tap on need more help. After you tap on need more help, it will take you to this section. Now on your TikTok support, all you have to do is start talking to the support of TikTok. Now here you will need to explain your issue, that is your live getting suspended and why it's suspended. Now live gets suspended due to you violating the community guidelines, which if you have not done, you can simply explain it to them and they will help you fix this issue. And that's basically how you fix live suspended on TikTok, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.